So what are crops and bleed? So first of all, crop marks are marks that appear at the edge of your document where the printers line up their guillotine to chop a document. Bleed is an area which is the outside of the document where you've got full colour coverage of your document which needs an extra bit of colour. The bleed generally is 3mm and goes all the way around the outside of the document. You can set this up in your preferences of your document. Just like here in Adobe Illustrator, you can add bleed to your document. The standard is 3mm. What you need to do if you're going to send it to print is to make the colour coverage of your document 3mm bigger. So when you've added your crop marks, it cuts off that extra 3mm of colour. When you send your document off to print, the printers will print A3 with colour coverage over the edge of the document on an SRA3 sheet. That's 450mm by 320mm. And what they do is they print it out and they will crop off the extra bit of colour all the way around the edge. So when you receive your document, it is the exact size of A3, which is 420 by 297. So when you send your document to print, you need an extra 3mm of bleed so the printers can chop off a little bit of colour, and you're going to need to add crop marks in order for them to know where to chop the document. That's crops and bleed explained. Hope you got something from that video. If you did, hit like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another one of my videos on screen now. Thanks for watching.